How to add Spotify music to Instagram story with sound. So if you want to add Spotify music to Instagram story with sound, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your Spotify application. After opening your Spotify, you just need to simply go and select a music. Like for example, I'll just simply go with this one. Now once you've selected your music, if you want to add this Spotify music to your Instagram story with sound, then what you need to do is just simply go with share, which will be here on the bottom. Tap on share. Once you tap on share, you need to select the background at first. You can start from the starting of the song, or you can also go with middle. Like for example, I'll start with 1 minute 30 second, and if you go with share, then you will have start from 1 minute 30 second. If you want to do that, you can go and select that, and then here on the bottom you will have Instagram stories. So select Instagram stories. Once you've selected Instagram stories, it will take you to this kind of interface. But if you've not got any sound right here, then you can go with music, which is on the right side, and from the music you need to search for the music. Like for example, I have the music right here, so I'll search for that music, and I found one. Now tap on the music, go with the arrow which is on the bottom, and add this music. So in this way you'll be able to add Spotify music to Instagram story with sound, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.